Hello, this is Abhishek Kumar from Flickdude, and today I will show you how you can generate battery report, or you can see the details of the inbuilt battery that comes with your laptop. And this battery report contains all the details that you need to know. And if you are facing any battery related issue, maybe this information will help you to know the exact issue. So let's see how you can generate the battery report and gain the related information. Go to the search and type Cmd. Make sure you have to run this as an administrator. Say yes. Now when the command prompt is open, you have to type powercfg space / battery report and hit enter. Now you can see the location where the report has been saved, so you have to navigate to that location. So go to the start and then local disk C, then Windows, then type system32. Again you have to look for the battery report. Now here you can see the battery report. You have to double click on it to see the battery report. Now you can see the details of the battery report. Let me explain it for you. The above details shows about the system name and BIOS version and the basic details when the report is generated. So you have to look from this section, installed battery. So you can see the model name can see and the manufacturer, and the most important thing is here the design capacity and full charge capacity. There is the main difference. So here is the catch: is the design capacity is 45,000 megawatt hour and the full charge capacity is 44,840 something. It means the battery is in the good condition, and you can also see the battery cycles count. So it shows that battery is in good condition. If the full charge capacity of the battery is showing 50% of the design capacity or below 50%, so it will not give a proper battery backup, maybe half an hour, or maybe not properly charging. So in this condition, if your laptop is under warranty, so you can ask for the replacement of the battery. So this information will help you to know how your battery is performing and how long it's going to be run in the future. So in this way you can generate the battery report and see the importance details of your battery, and you can estimate how long your battery is going to last in the future. So that's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Have a nice day.